Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming essentials so the connection works reliably. Make sure your Xbox and device use the same Wi-Fi. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on both. Next, install the Xbox app on your phone or PC and open it. In the console, enable remote features and turn on network discovery. This lets the app see the console. After these steps, the console should appear inside the app. Tap it to start pairing and move on to setup. Once paired, you must configure streaming and controller permissions on the Xbox for stable gameplay. On the console, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, then Remote Features. Enable Remote Play and set power options to allow streaming when the console is in standby. Make sure controller streaming is permitted and that you've allowed the app to access your console. Then in the Apps Connect tab, choose the console and complete the PIN or approval prompt. This locks in low. You finish by launching Remote Play from the app and testing controls and audio. If everything is smooth, you're done. If you notice lag, lower the streaming quality in app settings or move closer to the router to improve bandwidth. Make sure the console is not in a network restrictive mode and check your NAT type. Strict NAT can block connections. If things still fail, reboot the console, the router, and your device. This simple reset often resolves discovery and pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.